A common topic that comes up regarding appraisals is home renovations. Very common and somewhat exciting because people, of course, prior to the sale process are always thinking, what kind of renovations can we do to our home once we get in? And of course, once people are in their home, they're thinking, what kind of renovations should we do? Should we want to sell? There's a fine line between doing just the right thing and doing too much when it comes to home renovations, at least as it pertains to the appraisal process. Since the appraisal process and market value is based almost completely on comparable sales, the level, type, quality, and investment that one makes in a home renovation is going to be relative to what is considered typical and common in every neighborhood. So for example, in the home sale prices of say $150,000, a $50,000 kitchen renovation may not return the same amount of value that a $5,000 kitchen update would. Where in a $500,000 neighborhood, the $50,000 kitchen may get a full net return of that $50,000. So it's choosing wisely and figuring out what's considered typical and common for your neighborhood before you choose a home renovation.